Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Freshdesk. To begin, navigate to the Freshdesk website and sign up for a new account using your email. You will then select a unique domain name for your support portal, which will be your customer-facing help center. After confirming your account via the verification email, log into your Freshdesk dashboard. This initial step takes only a few minutes to complete, getting you ready for the next stages of configuration. Now, let's make your support portal truly yours. Head over to the admin settings to upload your company logo and choose your brand colors, ensuring a consistent look and feel. You can also customize the portal's layout and add essential content like announcements or welcome messages. Don't forget to set up custom ticket fields to capture specific details from your customers, making support more efficient. Finally, populate your knowledge base with helpful articles and frequently asked questions. Next, we'll supercharge your efficiency with automations. Set up rules to automatically assign tickets to the right agents or send out canned responses, saving valuable time. Define service level agreements, or SLAs, to ensure critical tickets are addressed within specific timeframes, like 4 hours for high priority. Configure your business hours so customers know when to expect support. Also, explore scenarios to execute several actions on a ticket with just one click, boosting productivity. Finally, let's get your team and channels ready. Invite your support agents to Freshdesk and assign them appropriate roles and groups for organized ticket handling. Configure your preferred support channels, such as email, live chat, or phone, to meet your customers where they are. Freshdesk supports over 25 different integrations, allowing you to connect with other essential business applications. This comprehensive setup ensures your support operations run smoothly and effectively from day one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.